Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Easter video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw an Among Us crewmate as the Easter Bunny, but he's going to be an imposter. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our imposter Easter Bunny, we're going to begin right here on our paper and we're going to make the little face shield. So I'm going to begin right here and I'm going to make a line that will curve up. And it's going to come down like this. Next, I'm going to take this and I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down and then it's going to connect. Now, right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down. And then we're going to bring this line down to about here. Now, starting here, I'm going to begin right about here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and it's going to come really close to this line. Then I'm going to bring it in just a little bit closer. Then I'll make a little line that curves here. Now, we're going to jump over here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come out here. And then we're going to start by making a little line that's going to come down. Then you want to draw a little line that's going to come over. And another little line that comes up. Now starting here, I'm going to make a little line that comes over to here. I'll make a line that comes down. We'll make a line that comes over. And then we're going to draw a line that comes up to here. Now, starting right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and it's going to come in. And then we're going to make a little line that's going to come down and then it's going to come over to the body. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to go up and then it's going to connect right to here. And we're going to make a little line that comes down for a little tooth. Then I'm going to put just a couple little sharp teeth here and a couple little sharp teeth down here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and then up. And I'm going to put a few little whisker shapes right here. And then I'll put a couple on this side too, or put a few of them. Right here, I'm going to add a couple little bumps for a little tail. And then right here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to come up and down. One more that goes up and down. And then one more right here. So it kind of looks like there's going to be a carrot back here. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up. And then it's going to come down for an ear. Then I'll make that same shape right inside of here. We're going to go up and down. Right here, we're going to make a line that goes up about halfway. We're going to go over. We're going to come down and then up here. Then we'll make a little line down. Then I'm going to draw two lines coming down here. Then starting here, we're going to make the tongue. So I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up. And then one right here that's going to come up. And it's just going to start a little bit wider here, then it's going to run together. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. And then it's going to come down and curve around. So it looks like a little Easter egg. And then starting right back here, we're going to make the rest of the tongue come out there. Then starting here, I'm just going to make a couple little wavy lines on here. And there you go. There is your little Easter Bunny Among Us imposter character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.